Hey, what's happening, everybody out there in YouTube? I'm the Dodge Dude, and that's a Jeep. Today I want to show you how the Uconnect 5 system works in this Jeep. So we're not going to be paying attention to the outside. I am going to be trying to use my phone to make a video and showing you some Android Auto and some of just the basic features with this thing here. So let's go ahead and jump inside and let's get to work. And I'm inside the Jeep here. Got the key fob in here with us. And this is the new 10-inch screen they have for this huge system. And this has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I have not hooked it up yet. So first I want to show you without and then with it hooked up. Just a couple things here. So on the top, you can drop this menu down and then you can change the toolbar on top there. Pretty cool. Close that up there just by pressing that. Real easy. And then on the bottom of this device here, so you go to your home page, press home page, and then you can come over here and press this. And then these are called widgets. You select your widget and you can have any of these items here selected on your home page. Simple enough, right? And then your phone, you have navigation. It's TomTom navigation when it's coming from the car or whatever your phone may use as well. Comfort settings in here, and we are getting really comfortable in this car really quick. I'm going to show you this little button over here. See that guy? That guy does this. That's right, guys. You got massaging seats on this side and the passenger side as well, and you will be wrapped in luxury sound. That's right, Macintosh stereo in this thing. Very luxurious. All right, let me go ahead and pause this really quick and let's hook up the Apple CarPlay. Alrighty, and here is what the vehicle looks like with the Apple CarPlay Android Auto hooked up. So you can see you can still scroll through the vehicle settings. All you got to do to go into the actual Android Auto is you press that button there, and then you can press this button, and it takes you to the apps on your phone. And you can still see that you can still access functionality of the vehicle, which is great. So I can come in here and I can still adjust my heated seats. I can still run my back massager over here, and I can still operate all that stuff and hop in and out of my Android Auto and use any of these apps that are listed here. See them displayed directly on the vehicle, which is really cool. So like, for example, when I hook up my Spotify, you can see it shows the album and everything there. No, I'm not playing the music because I don't want to get my video taken down. See, everything pops up there just like it looks like on your phone. Super cool. Same thing with your Audible apps and all that. You just use that little guy as your home button and it takes you back here. So if you want to use your maps for Google, you'll go into your Android Auto settings. And if you want to see the TomTom navigation that's on the vehicle itself, you can just come right in here. And this TomTom navigation is pretty cool. So you have the pinch to zoom feature, all that. Really cool setup on that TomTom navigation for sure. And then you can easily come in here too, and you see your TomTom navigation on this device, and then you can come over here to your widgets again on the home screen, and you can see, you know, exactly everything that you got going on there. You can set up numerous shortcuts, up to 6 shortcuts, easily accessible, so you can go right to those. Makes more of a hands-free driving experience. This thing has tons of safety features on it, the adaptive cruise control, lane assist, all those things. Really cool stuff, guys. So that's the Uconnect 5 wireless. We were able to do it, folks. Very cool. Check it out. Thanks for watching the video. My name is Mark. I'm your Dodge Dude. This vehicle is Dodge Dude approved, and this is your brand new Uconnect 5 system. Like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all have a nice day.